Less is more initially. Doesn't mean you do that forever. And this is the other problem most people get themselves into. They think that they need to do less is more forever. No, less is more initially, but not forever. We want to transition out of that into doing more is good, right? And building our capacity. And you learn along the way your wisdom and your learnings that you know when to go and you know when to slow. And you can tune into your body and just do what works, okay? But yes, initially less is more. A rule of thumb, usually, do 50% less than you think you should do. Because you're probably the type of person who pushes them way beyond their means. So I'd rather you do 50% less than you think you should do every day than do 100% or 150% and then not be able to be consistent. Consistency over intensity. You're better off being consistent, doing less or littler, but consistently, regularly, and you'll feel a lot better for that. Same goes for food, same goes for rest, same goes for building capacity. Consistency over intensity is the key. And enjoy your baseline. So this is the summary here. Enjoy your baseline. Okay. Yeah. You want to enjoy it. You don't want to be like, oh my God, I have to do this today. That's the shittest thing. And that's what you need to really get away from. In our program, we're all about doing things that you enjoy. Not making this like strict, hard, structured thing that sucks that you don't actually enjoy. So a couple of extra notes here for you guys. Imperfect day, do what works for you. If you are sleeping during the day, sleep between the hours of 11 and 3 p.m. or try to. Try to do your best to sleep between the hours of 11 and 3 p.m. whether that's 1 hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours. The reason why we want to put that into a structure from 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. is that we don't want to ruin our nighttime quality sleep. So if we kind of get out of bed for our daytime sleep at 3 p.m., it just means that it's, when we go outside again and we see the light, we know that it's still daytime. And so we can kind of still build into our nighttime routine and then hopefully sleep still good at night or a lot better than you would if you were sleeping till 5 or 6 p.m. in the evening, okay? Getting your eating habits right. Food is fuel, super important. Activities that are working inward, so building energy, and then working outward, expelling energy. Got to find the sweet spot for you. We talk a lot about that. And then doing what works for you. Everyone's going to be a little bit different, but there's going to be some commonalities that are going to be helpful and useful for you. So I hope that helps. Guys, anyone who is needing help with their baseline. There's a free training actually that goes a little bit deeper into this, and you can just type in www.cfshealth.com/baseline and you can download the free training there. We'll send you a few emails that will be really helpful for you, and that will kind of help you understand what I'm talking about a little bit better. Hope this helps, guys, and I look forward to speaking with some of you soon. Bye for now.